Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the flybridge of Lady B, the 2002 Luhrs 36, as she sits here in her slip in Destin, Florida. First thing I'd like to point out is this is a staired boat, not a step boat, or a ladder boat. So we're going to go up the steps to the flybridge. Now the boat has had a lot of upgrades over the years. Her owner has even replaced the isinglass, and it shows. Half was replaced this year, half was replaced last year. The owner also upgraded her electronics with a Raymarine E120 multifunction display and a 4 kilowatt radar. He also added a new transducer at that time. He also put in a brand new Raymarine Ray VHF 218. Of course, the boat comes with a Simrad AP22 autopilot, upgraded hypnotic controls for both the clutch and the throttle, and of course a Glendinning synchronizer. The boat comes with a fixed fire system. Now, of particular note is the Yanmar 6 CXM GTE engines only have 548 and 549 hours on it, as evidenced by the hour meters. Up top, we also have a Fusion FCD 100XM radio. And looking forward through our practically brand new isinglass, we have a remote controlled spotlight and a power windlass. And this has been part 2 of our quick walking tour of Lady B, the 2002 Luhrs 36 convertible, as she sits here in Destin, Florida.